In this video, I am going to discuss about the Constitution of India written by Dr.B.R. Ambedkar. So let's start. The Constitution of India. Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political. Liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. Equality of status and of opportunity and to promote among them all. Fraternity assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and the integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.